Hello guys, I'm Rajat. Welcome back to another video, and today I will be solving another lead code question. Lead code number 222. Count complete tree nodes. So the question says, given the root of a complete binary tree, return the number of nodes in the tree. And according to Wikipedia, every level except possibly the last is completely filled in a complete binary tree, and all nodes in the last level are as far left as possible. It can have one and two edge nodes inclusive at the last level edge. Okay. Design an algorithm that runs in the last is in less than zero and time complexity. Okay. Let's just do a pre-order traversal self root, and let's just increase the count. Okay. And in count, if it's not root, then simply just return. Otherwise, I'll just increase the count by one and do helper root dot left, then count. Okay, yeah. Then otherwise, I'll just root dot right and count. Since it has been increased, now I'll just declare something here, and helper will be root, and a return count here. This will work, but this works in a okay. Sorry, this okay. I have an habit of writing it pre-order, so let's just call it helper itself, and it does pre-order. So she must. It will actually work. It isn't working. Okay, that's okay. Why it didn't work? Maybe we can do another thing. Is that we can just take notes just for the sake. Notes not append here. Root dot file. Okay. Notes. Notes. And here we will return the length of the notes. Notes. Yeah, that's it. However, how can we do it for one length of time? Okay. That's definitely asking for a DP solution, dynamic programming solution. So, hmm, how can we do it? Hmm. So, it's definitely asking for a DP solution because in memorization or in recursion, we cannot have ON, and it says that design an algorithm that runs less than ON, and DP's maximum push could be like O of N. So that's a tricky one. How can we do it? Is there any clue that I'm missing? Let's just see if okay. There's topics. Tree bit manipulation. Okay, that's another thing. Hmm. It will it will work. It will work, but I'm not satisfied with it. Let's see what's okay. Okay. Some kind of okay, let's just read an editorial. We'll get some kind of pre-val. Okay. This complete mess. Okay. Just went out of it. I supposed to have a majority element, and there was, yeah, this was the question. Hmm. I went to solutions. Binary search. Okay. The fact is that no one is writing any kind of approach in order traversal. Okay. Yeah, we did a pre-order traversal return. Otherwise, count plus plus. This is on pre-order traversal, man. And we did the same, isn't it? We did the same thing earlier. We did the same thing. Void function, tree node, and okay, node. Put then return nodes count plus plus. Put left, put right. Okay. And then we have int count nodes. Loop. We did the same thing. How it didn't work in Python, but it is working in C++. Okay, man. Basically the same thing, but I want to rewrite it. Okay, let's just see why there isn't. What happened? Nothing. Why there isn't. Didn't work. I want to actually see. CNT, yes. Is it supposed to work actually? Like search.help. Oh, plus one. No, this don't work. Any case, how come this is working in C++? CNT dot helper dot write CNT. Then we have count nodes where we just have CNT is 0. Set dot helper dot left root CNT return CNT. Okay. And why it didn't work? It's still not working. Maybe because of the reference thing. Yeah, because of the reference thing, it is not working. So, is there any way that I can pass the parameter as a reference? Is there any way? Let's see how to pass a parameter Python as reference. Let's see what Brave extension says. Object of the reference is passed to a value. So, and just if I still don't get it. But I suppose the same could be written in C++ as I saw it here. Okay, the only thing is that you can return it in reference and count is equal to 0. Helper root and count return count, and here you have to write a void function that is a helper and takes the node of root and int with the reference count. Okay, this will allow us to modify the count variable and not just modify the count variable globally and not just locally to the if not root return return, otherwise count plus plus helper root left and just go with the counter helper root right count, and this should work. But I am still like, I don't understand how. Okay, it's 100%, that's good, but I'm just, I don't understand how the binary search works. Is there any actual solution to it? I don't know. The solutions that are here present here, I'm not able to understand them actually. Yeah, there should be like, I should take the premium first, like, I suppose. Okay, whatever. So we have completed one question of the day, not the question of the day, but one question for the day, and um, it's 2:22. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye bye.